Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change a map view to satellite view on booking.com. So if you're basically doing a search on booking.com to find properties and you find a hotel that you like and you basically start to check out the hotel and want to see where is this hotel located on the map, you can quickly do that by finding the address here at the top right below the hotel name, and you can either click on the map icon here with this pin, or you can click where it says excellent location show on map. You can basically pull up the map both ways. So from here, as I showed you, by clicking this or by clicking this as well, the pin, it's going to basically do the same. So whichever one you want, you can just basically do that. Now to switch this to the satellite view, as you can see, this is a different view, terrain view. You can quickly go ahead and click on the map, the satellite view on the lower right. So click this and it's going to switch this to the satellite view, and from here you can basically zoom in to basically see where the hotel is located. This is going to give you a better view so that you can see from a satellite view. At any point in time you want to basically switch that back, you can go ahead and you can click on the different terrain view as well. You can just quickly go ahead and click on the other view to take you back to this view as well. But if you want the satellite view, that's how you quickly do it, guys. Very easy and very simple.